Biofertilizers are very essential technologies in application to mitigate environmental degradation. And what are biofertilizers? In a scientific perspective, biofertilizers are the microbial inoculants, which can be usually defined as preparations containing live or dormant cells of efficient strains of nitrogen fixing, phosphate solubility or solubilizing, and cellulitic microorganisms. Rethinking crop nutrition in times of modern microbiology. It's innovative biofertilizer technologies. We are talking about Bioprop FHB, an innovative thinking along the biofertilizer technologies. Climate change, soil erosion, and biodiversity loss. In this context, harnessing naturally occurring processes such as those provided by soil and plant-associated microorganisms presents a promising strategy to reduce dependency on agrochemicals. Biofertilizer, Bioprop FHB, is made out of living microbes that enhance plant nutrition by either mobilizing or increasing nutrient availability in the soil. Various microbial taxa includes beneficial bacteria and fungi are currently used as biofertilizers, as in this case, Bioprop FHB. The crop that you see behind me was fertilized by the Bioprop FHB, a product that is under production with a company called Ancient Bioorganics. The reason why Bioprop FHB is doing well, one, it's because it's a product that has a direct implication on how the biology of the soil functions. Most of the current technologies that are in existence in the commercial world of fertilizer application have so much to do with the chemical composition of the ingredients that are used in the production of those fertilizers. So in a nutshell, the difference between Bioprop and the current protocols that are in the market is the composition of the ingredients. This is a biological microbe ingredient based fertilizer, while the other products that are in the market are have so much to do with the chemical composition of their formula. That is where there's a difference. So the other thing that I just want to emphasize in today's presentation is that we are working on bringing in a new thinking on how we need to take care of our soils, as we also look on matters increment of our production. These microbial formulations are used to enhance certain microbial processes to increase the availability of nutrients in a form which can be assimilated by plants. Biofertilizers are a low-cost, renewable sources of plant nutrients. These are the strains of beneficial soil microorganisms which are cultured and packed in suitable carriers in laboratory. Recently, biofertilizers are gaining momentum due to the vast advantages such as maintenance of soil health and reduction of environmental pollution by using of the chemicals in agriculture.
As you know very well, times are changing and you have to change with the times.
Yes.
If you don't change with the times, it will be very painful.
Yeah.
The cost of fertilizers has gone so high. Mm-hmm. For example, this 10 gram of bioorganic that is used, it's mixed with 25 kilograms of maize seed and covers 2.5 acres. And you know right now Kenyan soils are well depleted. You need at least not less than 2.5 packets of fertilizer. So that makes you will have to save at least for the 2.5 acres you will save 5 packets of DAP. So the cost here is going at, you will have saved If you use DAP, for example,
Just a minute. So how much is DAP? 5 DAP bags. Let's start from that. Yeah.
That
How
is
much is DAP?
20,000 shillings.
20,000 shillings.
Yes.
And this fertilizer goes for how much?
this one goes for 6,000.
For 6,000. So are you telling me you will save straight away 14,000 shillings?
Yes, that is over 60%.
Okay.
And one advantage we noted on this farm, they mixed the bioorganic with the seed and planted.
Yes.
And the seed was able to stay in the ground for a month.
For a month. Wow. For a month.
Yes.
And then what happened really? Because a month, that is too long.
When the rains came,
Yeah.
the germination was 100%.
Wow. That is
You
great.
can see. So one thing, we don't have that chemical effect. If it was a chemical fertilizer,
Yes.
no seed would have germinated here.
The Bioprop fertilizer, which is made out of the biology, will give you good yields, but at the same time encourage recovery of the nutritional profile of your land, and that's what we are looking for, because regeneration of our soils is actually something that we must do if we must preserve the technology for future food security of our country. We must do that. We leave this world for a time, and we must conserve the environment for the future generations if we want to have a world that will take care of our children. At present, a variety of commercial biofertilizers formulations are available. And as we speak today, we talk about Biofertilizer, Bioprop FHB, a product that is under production with the company Ancient Bioorganics. The company has decided to help the strategies around fertilizer production. The strategies comprise optimization of biofertilizer formulation, Bioprop FHB, application of liquid biofertilizer, which we call Ancient Bio Superplant Formula 1. That is a product that the company is presenting post-germination. And all this, it's around enhancement of the soil in terms of biology function, such that the yields are realistic and synergetic with the health of the soil.